Guys, welcome back to another basic Java programming tutorial. In today's episode we are going to learn about what you mean by method overriding in Java. If a method has same name and same signature in parent class and child class, that is called method overriding. In such situation, the child class method masks the parent class method, that is called method overriding. So here I am going to create an example that will demonstrate what you mean by method overriding in Java. So first we need two classes, parent class and child class. This one is the parent class. Now we need a child class. And the child class extends parent class. Okay. Now inside parent class here I am going to declare some variables. String variable. Now here I am going to define a constructor for the parent class. Sorry, here it is small letter, that's why. Okay, also I add a string argument, and in this constructor here I am going to initialize the string variable this dot message equal to message. Okay, so now I am going to define a method in parent class. This is parent class. Okay, now I am going to define a method in this parent class, public void display, and by using this method here I am going to display the message system.out.println message from parent class and display the message variable. Okay, so now we have a string variable in parent class and a constructor is there, and by using that constructor I initialize the string variable, and there is a method display method is available in parent class, and by using that method I display the message value. So here in child class also here I am going to create the same variable, declare the same variable message. Here also I am going to add some constructor child class with an argument. First initialize the variable in the child class, this dot message equal to message, and here I need to initialize the parent class variable also, so I have to call the super keyword and pass the argument. So this will initialize variable in child class and parent class. Okay, now here I am going to use the same method in child class also. So I copy that method and place the same method in the child class, and here instead of parent class display it as child class. Okay, so now we have the same method name display. Here the method name is display and the signature is same. Here there is no argument, here also there is no argument. So here the method display has same name and same signature. So we have a method with the same name and signature in the child class and parent class. So if you create an object of the child class and if you call the display method, that will hide the parent class method. That means in that case this method will invoke. That is called method overriding. For example, here I am going to create an object of child class. Child class equal to new child class with some string value welcome all. Okay, and by using this object here I am going to call the display method child class dot display. So here when I call this method child class dot display method, it will invoke the method available in child class, and the parent class method is hidden. We can check it out. I run the program. You can see message from child class, and the message is welcome all. This is called method overriding. If you have a same method with the same signature is available both in child class and parent class, the child class method will mask the parent class method. That is called method overriding. The method overriding take place if the method name and signature are same. Otherwise, method overloading take place. For example, here we have the method name is display, and I define the same method again in parent class with a different signature, string message. Here the method name is same, display, the method name is same, but the signature is different, because here there is no argument, but here a string argument is present. In this case, instead of method overriding, there is method overloading take place. Here I create an object of child class and I call the display method, and with some string value hello all. Here method overriding is not take place, instead method overloading take place. We can check it out. Run the file. You can see message from parent class and hello all. Okay, and if you want to, in the case of method overriding, if you want to call the parent class method also, you have to use the super keyword. So here in child display method, here I am going to call the super class method super dot display. In this case, both parent method and child method will invoke. I run the file. Here we have output from parent class and child class. I hope you understand what you mean by method overloading and method overriding. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode.